I did not want a small gesture standing at the easel with a sable brush. And having looked at cubism, which can be very detailed and minute and fine, and has that essence at times of the easel and the sable brush,
Cubism is something that I just sort of passed around, I suppose largely owing to the example of Pollock. And both Pollock and Hoffman seem to me to have, I don't want to say solved the problem, but at least they solved the problem in a sense for me. I mean, they came to terms in some kind of really concrete and accomplished way with what had happened with 20th century modernism.
I mean, that wasn't, I wasn't just making a few marks and rubbing them out myself. I may have said that painting relates as much to life as it does to art, or vice versa, but I don't think so. I said that you couldn't make either.